They told us it was impossible. They told us that once you hit 70, the clock runs out. They said your body is destined to break down, that your muscles will naturally fade, your strength will disappear, and there is absolutely nothing you can do except sit back and watch it happen. We've all heard it. Take it easy, they say. You're getting older. But what if they were wrong? What if the decline we've accepted as normal isn't necessary at all? Recently, in a quiet, high-tech research facility right here in Colorado, scientists stumbled onto something that no one saw coming. It wasn't a pharmaceutical drug, and it wasn't a new surgical procedure. It was a forgotten secret hidden inside the smallest seeds on Earth. At first, the researchers thought it was just folklore, old wives' tales from rural villages. But when they brought these seeds into the lab and tested them under strict American scientific standards, the results stunned everyone. Inside these tiny kernels lies a specific type of protein that is so bioavailable and so powerful it actually outperformed standard eggs by 21 times when it came to rebuilding muscle tissue in older adults. You heard that right, not double, 21 times more effective. Within just a few weeks of adding these specific seeds to their diet, men and women in their 70s and 80s, people like Robert from Ohio and Mary from Florida, started regaining strength they hadn't felt since the 1990s. Their legs stopped shaking on the stairs, their balance steadied, their energy didn't just trickle back, it surged. And here is the part that makes this discovery so controversial. The mainstream nutrition industry has largely ignored it. Why? Because this natural breakthrough could threaten the massive $70 billion protein supplement market that relies on selling you expensive powders and shakes. Host, in this video here at Senior Medical Hub, we are going to uncover the 6 miraculous seeds that build muscle faster than eggs, specifically for those of us over 70. And I need you to stick around because seed number 3 is the most astonishing of them all. Scientists have actually nicknamed it nature's creatine, after discovering it can reactivate sleeping muscle cells by 43% in older adults. You do not want to miss that one. But before we continue, tell me in the comments where you're watching this video from, and if you have any personal question or health concern, make sure to share it in the comments. I read every one of them. Seriously, whether you're watching from a porch in Georgia or a high-rise in Chicago, I want to know who is with us today. Now, are you ready to turn back the clock? Let's dive into the list. Seed number 6, sunflower seeds. Let's start with number 6. This is a seed that has deep roots in Native American history, used for centuries to fuel long journeys, but is now proven by modern science to help seniors rebuild the strength of their youth. Number 6, sunflower seeds. Now, most of us think of sunflower seeds as nothing more than a snack you eat at a baseball game or something you toss into a bird feeder, but you need to rethink that. Research coming out of the University of Illinois has revealed that these little kernels are a powerhouse. They pack an incredible 21 grams of complete protein per 100 grams. Pound for pound, they are one of the most protein-dense foods on the planet. But here is what makes sunflower seeds particularly special for muscle building after the age of 70. It's not just the protein, it's the vitamin E. Just a quarter cup provides 82% of your daily needs. Why does that matter to you? Because vitamin E acts like a shield. It directly protects your aging muscle cells from oxidative damage, which is basically the biological rust that slows us down as we get older. Furthermore, the protein in sunflower seeds contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. But the real secret weapon here is arginine. Studies show that arginine improves blood flow to your muscles by up to 40% in older adults. Think of it like opening up a highway. It delivers nutrients exactly where you need them for repair and growth. Recent research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed just 30 grams of sunflower seeds daily saw a 15% increase in their grip strength in just 8 weeks. That might not sound like a lot, but grip strength is actually the #1 predictor of how long you will live and how independent you will remain. How to eat them? The best way to get these benefits isn't the salty, packaged kind from the gas station. You want to buy raw seeds. Soak them overnight in a little salted water to unlock their nutrients, then lightly roast them at a low temperature. Or try sunflower seed butter. It's delicious on whole wheat toast. Pro tip: eat them with an orange or some bell peppers. The vitamin C helps your body absorb the protein by up to 25%. Seed number 5. Sesame seeds. Moving on to number 5. These tiny seeds are usually ignored on top of hamburger buns, but they are actually one of the most underestimated protein sources in existence. Number 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds contain 18 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams. But researchers at a top university in California discovered something else, a unique compound called sesame. In clinical trials, sesame was shown to increase muscle protein synthesis, that's the biological process of building muscle, by 31% in adults over the age of 70. What makes sesame seeds absolutely extraordinary for us is their methionine content. This is an amino acid that is usually very low in plant foods, but it is critical for maintaining muscle mass. Believe it or not, sesame seeds have more methionine per gram than many animal proteins. But the real game changer is hormones. As we age, our hormone levels drop, which leads to muscle loss. A study focusing on older men found that consuming just 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is just ground up sesame seeds, daily for 6 weeks helped optimize healthy testosterone levels naturally by 18%. This improved muscle recovery time significantly. You're also getting a massive mineral boost: calcium, magnesium, and iron, all essential for making sure your muscles contract properly and don't cramp up. How to eat them? The trick here is toasting. Lightly toast them in a dry pan for 2 or 3 minutes until they smell nutty. This breaks down the outer shell and increases the digestibility of the protein by nearly 45%. Sprinkle them on salads, stir-fries, or yogurt. Timing: try eating them in the evening. The magnesium helps relax your muscles and improves sleep, which is when your body does its repair work. Seed number 4. Flax seeds. Now, prepare yourself for a seed that contains more omega-3s than salmon and builds muscle in ways that seem almost magical. Number 4. Flax seeds. Ground flax seeds deliver an impressive 18 grams of protein, but the revolutionary factor for anyone over 70 is alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Researchers at the University of Michigan found that this specific omega-3 reduces muscle inflammation by 52%. Why is that important? Because inflammation is the enemy of muscle growth. By lowering inflammation, you allow your body to focus on rebuilding tissue. Flax seeds are also rich in lignans. In fact, they have 800 times more lignans than any other food. These compounds help improve insulin sensitivity. In simple terms, they act like a key that unlocks your muscle cells so they can accept protein and nutrients. A groundbreaking study found that older adults who added just 2 tablespoons of ground flax to their diet daily for 12 weeks gained 1.5 pounds of lean muscle while simultaneously losing over 2 pounds of fat without hitting the gym. Critical warning: you must eat flax seeds ground. If you eat them whole, they will pass right through your body and you won't get any benefits. Buy them pre-ground or use a coffee grinder. How to eat them? Add them to your morning oatmeal. They create a gel-like consistency that keeps you full and provides steady energy, preventing those blood sugar spikes that can make you feel tired in the afternoon. Seed number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Here we go. This is the one I told you to wait for. The seed that rivals high-end protein powders. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. These green nutritional powerhouses contain a staggering 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. That makes them one of the most protein-dense foods you can buy at a grocery store. But what truly sets pumpkin seeds apart from muscle building after 70 is zinc. Just 1 ounce provides 20% of your daily zinc needs. Zinc is the master mineral for muscle repair and hormone production. Scientists in Texas discovered that pumpkin seeds contain a unique protein structure that fights inflammation so well it can reduce muscle soreness after a walk or a workout by 45%. This means you can stay active without feeling aches and pains the next day. You're also getting a massive mineral boost: calcium, magnesium, and iron, all essential for making sure your muscles contract properly and don't cramp up. They are also packed with magnesium. Did you know that 68% of adults over 70 are deficient in magnesium? It's involved in over 300 reactions in your body. Without it, your muscles can't build new tissue. Pumpkin seeds also contain high levels of tryptophan. This improves sleep quality. And since we know that deep sleep is when your body releases growth hormones, eating these seeds can turn your sleep into a muscle-building session. How to eat them. Roast them at a low temperature, under 170 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. This preserves the healthy fats. Eat them as an afternoon snack to keep your blood sugar stable, or have a handful before bed to feed your muscles while you sleep. Seed 2. Hemp seeds. Get ready for the second most powerful seed, containing a protein that NASA once called the perfect food. Number 2. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds deliver an incredible 31 grams of complete protein per 100 grams. But the number you need to care about is 94%. That is the digestibility rate of hemp protein. As we get older, our digestion slows down. Steak and eggs can sit heavy in the stomach. Hemp seeds are soft and easy to digest, meaning almost all of that protein goes straight to your muscles, not to waste. The protein in hemp is called Edestin, which is remarkably similar to the protein found in human blood. Your body recognizes it immediately. This is a huge advantage for older adults because it puts very little stress on your kidneys. Nutritionists in Oregon found that hemp seeds contain the perfect ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. This balance reduces inflammation and boosts muscle recovery speed by 35%. Hemp is also rich in leucine, the master trigger amino acid. You actually get more leucine per gram from hemp than from eggs. How to eat them? It couldn't be simpler. Hemp seeds, often called hemp hearts, have a mild, nutty flavor and are soft. You don't need to grind them or cook them. Sprinkle 3 to 4 tablespoons over your salad, blend them into a smoothie for a creamy texture, or stir them into soup. Seed number 1, chia seeds. And now, the number 1 seed that scientists say could revolutionize how we age. Number 1, chia seeds. These tiny black and white seeds were once known as running food by ancient warriors. They contain 17 grams of complete protein, but their true power for seniors lies in hydration. Chia seeds can absorb 12 times their weight in water. When you eat them, they create a gel that provides a slow, sustained release of protein into your system for up to 6 hours. Researchers at Stanford University discovered something remarkable. The protein in chia seeds actually becomes more absorbable as you age. While most foods get harder to digest, chia absorption rates jumped from 76% in young adults to an astounding 95% in people over 70. Because they hold so much water, they help transport nutrients directly into your muscle cells, increasing cell volume. This triggers anabolic signaling, the signal your body sends to build muscle. A study following adults over 70 found that those who ate just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily gained nearly 3 pounds of lean muscle and improved their walking speed by 23%, all without changing their exercise routine. How to eat them? The absolute best way is to make chia pudding. Take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, mix them with a cup of almond milk or regular milk, add a dash of cinnamon and vanilla, and leave it in the fridge overnight. By morning, you have a thick, creamy, protein-rich pudding that is easy to swallow and digest. It's the perfect breakfast to fuel your muscles all day long. The science is crystal clear. You do not have to accept frailty as a part of aging. These 6 seeds represent a revolutionary natural approach to maintaining your independence and strength well into your 80s and beyond. Start with just 1. Maybe grab some pumpkin seeds for a snack, or mix some chia into your yogurt tomorrow morning. Consistency is key. Your muscles are waiting to be reactivated. Nature has given you the tools. Now, it's up to you to use them. If this information opened your eyes to new possibilities for your health, please make sure to subscribe to Senior Medical Hub. We are dedicated to bringing you the latest science-backed strategies to make your golden years your strongest years. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your health.